Hello my dear friends, this is a small video review about IFB 6 kg Elena Aqua SX front loading washing machine. Here is the beautiful silver washing machine and it comes with super to use easy features like it takes very less time for washing your clothes. You can save a lot of energy. The amount of water and detergent used is also very less and the quality of your washed clothes is awesome. It has a capacity of 6 kgs and the speed of this machine is 800 rpm. The machine also offers 15 different wash programs like cotton, mixed fabrics, woolens and gentle. So people, you can choose any of these programs according to your own requirement and convenience. You can have absolutely better washed clothes with powered up features like Aqua Energy, Crescent, Moon Drum, 2D shower system, auto imbalance, sensing and control, self-diagnosis and foam control system. I'll explain about this a bit later. Also, there are some exclusive programs like additives, rinse and drain plus spin. There are also some special options in this machine like rapid wash, wash mode and built-in anti-grease. I'll just give you an overview about all these options slightly a bit later now. Also, you can control the temperature between hot, warm or cold, so it's like very easy to choose whatever temperature you want. There is a built-in heater also within the machine. The machine is protected from damages as it comes with a rat mesh. So let's go to the performance of this machine. This machine uses less detergent and therefore it increases also the lifespan of the machine and your clothes as well. The Aqua Energy feature of this machine makes it happen. Like the Aqua Energy feature turns hard water into soft and therefore it also dissolves the detergent to give you a superior quality wash. This increases the lifespan of your washing machine. So I hope everyone understood this Aqua Energy feature. And the 2D shower system, what does it do? It completely dissolves the detergent. So therefore if you add more detergent even by mistake, it gets dissolved. You need not worry. And therefore the detergent chunks on your clothes are prevented, and this also helps you to give you a good quality wash. So the 2D shower system is mainly for preventing the detergent from spoiling your clothes. There is an option called laundry add option. If you forget to add clothes, then this option would be of help. The machine has got 320 millimeter door opening diameter. It has got a door. Its diameter is 320 mm and 180 degree opening angle. So it's very easy for you to put in the clothes and taking it out also becomes very easy. There is Crescent Moon Drum in this machine. What does it do? There will be no contact between the steel drum and your clothes, so it prevents any damage occurring to your clothes. So your clothes won't be affected or spoiled. Suppose you want to add additionally some soda or something, the additive ready feature ensures that these are uniformly distributed all over your clothes. Hence people going to buy IFB Elena Aqua 6 front loading washing machine, you'll definitely enjoy all these automatic features, and this machine is really very easy to use and it's very simple, quick and easy task for you to wash your clothes now. In case even if you add extra detergent, then no need to worry. The 2D shower system will take care. Also this foam control system will take care. The foam control system dissolves the extra detergent and it takes care of your clothes from getting those extra detergents damaging. Now next, also in case you don't uniformly put your clothes within the crescent drum, this will be taken care by the auto imbalance sensing and control system. What does it do? It uniformly arranges your clothes either in between or in the beginning of your washing process, so you need not even worry to keep push the clothes in a uniform manner. You need not worry about the balancing or the distribution of your clothes. Also, the clothes come in a ready to iron look, in the sense it's very easy for you to iron these clothes after it gets dried because of the anti-crease feature. So this anti-crease feature lets the washing machine wash the clothes in a way which will be easy for you to iron the clothes. The machine also has got a smart selector switch with LED indication, so it's a self-diagnosis, in the sense it's very easy for you to choose the various options. Okay, if the LED is blinking, it means that that particular option is not selected. Okay, if it is like stable, then it means that that option is selected. So there is very built-in high voltage control. The program status indication is very easy for people or users to understand. So I will recommend this IFB loading washing machine to people if in case they want a machine on a minimum budget, and if they want to save the detergent or water or energy, then this machine is the best. So guys, if you want to buy a washing machine which will use minimum detergent, water and energy, then go for it. This machine is absolutely apt for you, and I hope this information is helpful, and I hope this video was of help for you guys. And if you like my video, then please do subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.